Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to add a dynamic transition on your video by Capcut application. So first thing you have to do is just go open the Capcut application. You can start a new project by click the new project if you have no project yet, but today I already prepared to you guys. I already have 2 clips on this project, but then I would like to add more clips so that we can learn to add transitions twice today. Okay, let me add more videos. I think this one's quite good. Okay, now I already have 3 clips on my project. So how to add a transition into this project? You just need to go click this square between 2 clips. Just need to click it and you will be accessing the transitions options. And now you just need to find out which transitions that you want to add into your clip. But I already have one. If you want to have a dynamic transitions, go into the distortions, and now you can choose the stretch. Okay, you can also adjusting the light. Adjusting the length. If you drag into the right side so that the transition will be applied longer. Okay, after you're done, you just need to click this check button. Okay, let's do for the second one. Click this square, and then you just need to go choose which transition that you want to choose. For example, this axis rotations right there. Then I will adjusting the length too, and then click done. So let's have a test for the result. And that's all. That's the tutorial how to add a dynamic transition on your Capcut video. If you find out that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.